These were the clothes of Sonakshi Sinha's mother,
What?
Poonam Sinha, yes. This reminds me of Rakesh ji used to be always upset that when I'm crying, I look like I'm laughing. This last sequence, I remember that the sequence before this that was shot in the house, we had rehearsed it, and Kajol had to do this falling down on the floor at one point. My acting lesson from Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, he was telling me something about body language and how I should walk off angrier. Such a fun photo shoot. In real life, I'm the oldest sister, grandchild, and I have a younger sister.
We have a very cool segment
Uh-huh.
called DDLG Flashbacks. ठीक है. So this is the first.
This reminds me of Rakesh ji used to be always upset that when I'm crying, I look like I'm laughing. And so in this picture, I suddenly understand why he used to say that. Because I have these cheeks, and then when my eyes go small, they both go up. So it's hard to tell. So yeah, this just reminds me of him for some reason.
Cute. Okay, now this one. What was going here? The full family thing.
I
Wendy
thought
does
this
it.
scene was damn clever and all. Like how she pretends to not wear the ring on that finger and everything. I thought like whoever's written this is like seriously knows the psychology of a woman and this Indian romance ka heart really
Yes.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah. This last sequence, I remember that the sequence before this that was shot in the house, we had rehearsed it, and Kajol had to do this falling down on the floor at one point. And she was wearing knee pads because the hard floor would hurt her knees, and we were all so worried that how would the shooting continue, if something happened to her knees. And so that was a very technical bit. So whenever I see her in this outfit, like my mind races back to the mood on the set. And of course, in Panvel, when this was being shot, we were having a picnic, like overnight sleepover, like slumber party, because everybody was in one place. Nobody would go back home and, come back. And every night we would play these games, and the Mausam was really cold, and it really felt like a family vacation. Where in the day the whole family goes and sits on this desolate train station where there were no trains coming. There was hardly any public also. So it's not like, you had fans who were thronging or anything. And Pam Auntie was doing the crossword puzzle, a very difficult one. And everybody would be sitting around her and being like, ye kaise kar rahe hain, And people who come try leave, and she'd like manage the whole puzzle, and I was so amazed and impressed by her. And everybody was just having a great time in general. My acting lesson from Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, he was telling me something about body language and how I should walk off angrier. And we didn't have playback or monitors back in the days. So I had to wait till the film released to see if I got his feedback right.
Cute.
Oh, my iconic scene. This line has been repeated back to me more times in my life than I can count. Really, people trip out on this line so much.
Any memories? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था शाहरुख के साथ? मतलब you were doing fun, I know that. The
Yeah.
But something कुछ याद है यार?
This scene, I think I had more lines with Shah Rukh than Kajol, right? Because he's talking to her through me. And I remember having such a crush on him. And I was like, yaar, this is almost sounding like a flirtation, Can I just take this one? Like, like, do you have a younger brother? Like, what is this? What a cute guy. And like, then to know that he's in love with my sister and all, like, oh my God. Very mixed emotions.
Yes. And शाहरुख के लिए तो शाहरुख के साथ ये
हे
सीन करने का
भगवान, और वो जब शाहरुख आपको आके गिफ्ट दे बहन के सामने, मतलब आप समझ रहे हो कि बनता है कि वो दीदी के लिए गिफ्ट लाए, लेकिन वो दे रहा है काव्यन मुझे थोड़ी पता है कि ये सब स्टोरी हो चुकी है. मुझे तो लग रहा है कि शाहरुख को मैं क्यूट लगती हूँ और वो दीदी पे लाइन नहीं मार रहा है, मुझ पे लाइन मार रहा है. मतलब मेरे लिए गिफ्ट लाया ना, मुझे क्या पता कि यही मिले थे, तब तक तो मुझे पता नहीं था ना. Yeah, then all tiny fish.
I get it. What is
This, oh, such a fun photo shoot. In real life, I'm the oldest sister, grandchild, and just I have a younger sister.
Huh.
So here I got to have a make-believe older sister, and that was so great for one afternoon.
Wow.
And this was the first time I ever met her.
Huh.
We just had this photo shoot, and she was just so fun. And I was like, I can't believe I'm going to get to work with her. Like, this is just going to be incredible, like a girl crush of sorts, Where you're like, wow.
Nice.
Ah, I remember this day being so hectic because we had to run around to get the clothes styled for this, and I didn't really have a team. Like, a call came, and then my sister and I took the car and the driver all day, and we went from boutique to boutique with our stylist, and we put together this outfit, and then finally Shah Rukh also brought a poster of the movie, the original poster. And I don't know if they have that on the show, but I remember the show shooting was done, like it wasn't like rolling or anything, and then he laid out the poster and he made us all sign it, like the cast that was there. And I was like, man, trust him. How can you be so handsome, so talented, so thoughtful, so charismatic? Like, this is ridiculous, It's not fair.
This is some very cute pictures.
Thank you. I know. Really. This picture almost feels like I'm actually going to school somewhere in London, no? This is very jale pe namak because I never went to London. You know that? I only went to Goregaon. Like, really. It's quite tragic, isn't it? All my friends thought, London. I was like, rubbish. I only went to Panvel. They did very nice costume and set design. All credit to the illusion of filmmaking. This looks like
very cute.
A scene. Was it from the deleted scenes? Or is it in the... Or deleted scenes
Yes.
there, na? Yes. See? Because when I first watched the movie, I was like, अरे पर मेरा आधा काम तो है ही नहीं. हमने शूटिंग में तो ये भी किया, ये भी किया, ये भी किया. और फिल्म इतनी लंबी हो गई थी कि मतलब obviously they had to cut it, but I really missed those scenes.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's great to see that they released the footage later. I'm so glad.
This one काफी memes भी बनते हैं, हाँ? आपने देखा है ना अपने और काजोल के बारे में? Sisters like them, sisters like them.
Really, I haven't seen
those. I will share you.
Please.
I will share. ये वाला सीन में थे आप पास?
No, I don't think so.
It's a करवा चौथ वाला I think. ये तो था.
हाँ, here I'm there.
Purple suit.
Yes.
Trend purple वाली यहीं से आ गई थी भैया.
And you know whose clothes these were? These were the clothes of Sonakshi Sinha's mother.
What?
Poonam Sinha, yes.
The purple suit.
The purple suit and the pink one in the one before this, one that you showed me, the family photo. Few people know this, but these two were actually clothes that we had borrowed from her. And they looked so, they were just some options my mum had kept and maybe they didn't have or something. And then we used these two. I think this maybe they made, but the pink one is definitely hers. So yeah.
Yeah, that's it. But it was fun, na?
Yeah.
But there कोई ऐसा scene था जो delete हो गया था and then you were like यार वो तो होना चाहिए था वो scene. But अभी हमें
No, I think the best ones they kept.
Yeah.
I think they kept the best ones.
Yeah.
I mean, the ones that they've kept in hindsight are just so cult and beautiful. Like, I'm like, I don't think a role has been written for a teenager after or before that, where a very defined, intelligent, outspoken teenage voice, is very futuristic, really, of them to think of that.
Yeah. But before going on, I'll ask you, जब आप set से जा रही थी या जब आप कपिल शर्मा के शो पे गई थी, काजोल या शाहरुख या अमरीश जी या फिर अनुपम सर या फिर फरीदा मैम, किसी ने कोई एक लेसन दिया कि या फिर कोई एक कह सकते हैं उसको कि नहीं एक thoughtful lessons कि यार ये लाइफ में कंटिन्यू करना या समथिंग लाइक दैट जिसको आप याद करते हो यार?
I don't think anyone pulled me aside really. I think I'm also not the kind of person who would listen if someone pulled me aside and told me. I'd probably do the opposite. I have such a problem with authority. But the lessons I love are the ones that I learn from just watching people. When you see them doing things when no one's watching. You know, that's when your real self comes out, like
Right.
when the camera is not rolling.
Hmm.
And Shah Rukh really I think is the biggest lesson in generosity
Yeah.
as a
yeah.
co-actor. Really, so alive, so involved, and you know, not at all. Ke, ye mera kaam. This is just, you know, I'll just do a good job. I'll just be, you know, no. He's about, let's make the scene better.
Yeah.
Like, how can I be part of this and make this
Yeah.
whole thing, lift the whole thing up?
Yeah.
And I think that outlook has served him obviously really well, and his son so well.
Yeah.
You know, like, what is that
Buzz.
level of talent? What is this
Yeah.
bloody series he's made?
Loving it.
Loved it to
Yes.
bits, really.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
chuckled, and it felt like a victory, you know, of a new brand, of a new kind of pacing
Yes,
and talent.
yes,
Oof, loved it.
You
loved
tried to texted them? You texted them?
it.
Someone?
I'm too shy.
Ah,
He'd
you
probably
should.
be like, who is this? He probably doesn't have my number. I don't know.
But ever tried to contact Shah Rukh or someone?
We did an ad together
Yeah?
years later for Belmont suitings,
Wow.
and he was wonderful as always,
Yeah.
charming, and made my knees weak. But that's him. He doesn't even have to try.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Pooja. You know, it was such a lovely talking to you. Got so much of behind the scenes. इतना मजा आया.
I'm
तो
so
आज
glad,
करके,
I'm
yes,
so glad.
with the flashcards, flash books, सब कुछ हो गया.
I'm
Thank you so
glad.
much for talking
Thank
to me. It
you.
was lovely talking
It was
to you.
such,
Happy
such a
Diwali.
pleasure. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Have a lovely,
Thank you.
lovely year ahead.